The HF2516 has been successfully installed and is now fully operational at a customer's facility, actively responding to their orders for customized packaging, equipped with high-precision piezoelectric printheads, which outputs vivid and clear colors. It supports a maximum single-pass print width of 2.5 meters. Its advanced front-edge automatic feeding system, combined with a full-suction vacuum platform, ensures exceptionally stable media transport for corrugated boards, designed for ease of use with adjustable data parameters. The HF2516 fully leverages the advantages of digital printing. It is the ideal solution for meeting diverse production needs, such as brand customization and holiday promotional packaging, enabling production for any order size or urgency. For samples or machine demonstration, please don't hesitate to reach out.